Style is not about just clothing. It's about elegance, confidence, and grace. And when it comes to abayas, elegance speaks for itself. Soft fabric, royal designs, and a modern touch. This abaya is made for every occasion, whatever it's a casual day, office day, or a special event. It's the perfect fit. Bag is not just accessory. It's a statement, a classy bag, elevates or your outfit, adding power and elegance to your style. Pair a light abaya with a bold colored bag or match a dark abaya with a soft postal bag. This contrast instantly makes your look more stylish and eye-catching. Ladies, it's time to your shine. Choose elegance, choose difference, choose the perfect abaya and bag, and create your own trend. I hope you like my video. So like, comment and share. Take care yourself.